Happy Monday, everybody. It is good to be here. And my goodness, those thunderstorms last night scared the puppies worse than the fireworks. Yeah, flash flood warnings. I walked this morning and it was very, very humid. Very, very humid. Yeah. So happy day. Happy to be here. Happy to be in Las Vegas. And life is good. And it's a Monday morning. I hope you all are having a great day. Let's see here. I probably need to fix the crawler because the 30th is over. Yeah, the 30th is over. So let me take that out of the crawler. I'm telling you, I need a producer. Today we have a CE credits class from 10 to 1, agency, negotiating, who do you work for, prove it, all these kind of tenets that we build into the class. So we're really happy about all the classes that we have that we can call our own. And that's another story how that works. But let's talk about what's going on in the Las Vegas real estate market. Well, we have listed over the weekend 140 homes. Yay, go team. We put 111 under contract, people working hard. We had no closings because the title companies are closed on the weekends. However, we have 25 days of available inventory, and that's a double-edged sword. We'll talk about that more. We have 3,198 single-family homes available. Yay. 47 of those single-family homes were just listed this weekend, and they're under 400,000. And then 1,109 single-family homes are active that are under 400,000. So there's some more choices. We were down in the 900s there for a couple weeks. And June, of course, I keep June up there because June was a stellar month. We were selling 148 homes a day. And year to date, we're selling 139 homes a day. But for July, we're down at 128. Again, probably the holiday. And I think I've showed this to you before, but I'm going to show it to you again. I think. Come on, work with me here. There we go. Let's get this up here. There we go. I have made a key to for you all to print out along with the stats, because if you give these to people, you can tell them, give them a key and say, okay, here's what the different numbers are relating to. And that will also help you understand the numbers too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And we have Karen here. Good morning, Karen. So good to see you. Your daughter's so pretty. And Frank in his hot car. Wow. Oh, we have fun, don't we? You have to have fun. So we talked last week a lot about Zillow, because Zillow is our competition. And for whatever reason, they're a member of our brokerage, and they're offering above list. And all these investors across the country, and I mentioned this on Saturday, my Saturday show, I mean, they are buying homes. 20% of the homes that are being bought by investors. Now, I'm saying that from the newspaper article. I'm going to see if I can't figure that out for myself. I know how to do it. I just have to take the time to do it.